Hi, I'm Captain Salsa and welcome in my channel, and I will give you some tips how you can put more musicality to your body. I will choose first On1 dancing, but for 2-3 clave song. You have two style of rhythm: 3-2 clave song, 2-3 clave song. 3-2 clave or bass is on 1, and you have 3 hits in first bar, 1 and 4, and 2 hits in second bar, 6, 7. And 2-3 clave song, you have 2 beat hits in first bar, 2, 3, and 3 hits in second bar, 5 and 8. And this is the clave. This is the key for your musicality. Second rhythm is bass. Third rhythm is tumbao. But if you are salsa dancer, On1 salsa dancer, I highly recommend use only one main rhythm, means clave. Because if you touch the 3 rhythms together, you will be mambo dancer on 2. Today, On1 to onto feeling.
Toca la clave.
Clave.
Suena el bongo.
And 5 and 8.
Hazme un tumbao que el ritmo lo pongo yo. Vamos a tocar soneros, toquemos de corazón. Y en este bonito día vamos a hacer un ritmo. Si del alma brota letra, armonía y sazón, son estos los ingredientes para componer un son. Oye, ya que la fiesta está buena, se juntaron los soneros, vamos a tocar un son que lo escuche el mundo entero, que no me falle la clave, mientras que rompa un tumbao.
How I can do that? Because I feel the clave. Not 2, 3, 5 and 8. I start from the 5 and 8. 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8. Where is the key? With the counting, with the simple tricks. Put transition between second and first bar. 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8. And 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8, 2, 3 and 5 and 8. 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 5 and 8. You will put more musicality to your counting. Second is, if you see, I use the different structure for my basic step. Not 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I use this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, which will give me much more dynamic, and I will not waste time and energy for go forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And next, clave, 5 and 8. You see? I don't want to use 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, because it's the lesson about the musicality. And you will be exactly in clave, and just one will be with the wave of song. Wave means and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time, slowly. 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8. And every breaks will be yours, because breaks works with the system clave. Pa, pi, pa, pu, pi, yeah?
Toca la clave, suena el bongo, hazme un tumbao que el ritmo lo pongo yo.
Vamos.
Toca la clave, suena el bombo. Hazme un tumbao que el ritmo lo pongo yo. Vamos a tocar soneros, toquemos de corazón. Y en este bonito día vamos a hacer un rumbón.
Of course, I'm mambo dancer, and I want to dance. I highly recommend dance on two because it's much more natural. But you can dance on one like that. If you have problem with this 5 and 8 jazz, and you want to use still 5, 6, 7, I highly recommend use cha-cha-cha between the steps. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Yeah? Look. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Many Cubano dancers dance like that. Look. Da-da-dam.
Y si del alma brota letra, armonía y sazón, son estos los ingredientes para componer un son. Oye, ya que la fiesta está buena, se juntaron los soneros, vamos a tocar un son que lo escuche el mundo entero, que no me falle la clave, mientras que rompa un tumbao y el bombo que se destaque, que no me quedo callado. Toca la clave, suena el bombo, hazme un tumbao, que lo demás lo pongo yo. Vaya trompeta. Toca la clave, suena el bombo, hazme un tumbao, que lo demás lo pongo yo. Toca la clave, sonero, repiquete el bongo.
If you have questions, just write in comments. Ask me. I'm free. I'm open. And develop with your musicality, because knowledge about the rhythm is awesome. See you on the next class. Bye-bye.